a very, very warm welcome. I am just about to record for you a very, very short summary of our Improvers Solo Cha-Cha, that is Ballroom Cha-Cha, Improvers Solo Ballroom Cha-Cha, practice routine number 2. This is just a very, very short review. The full class for this routine was taught on the 17th of January 2022, so if you're looking in the full paid video library, that is where you need to go to see the full 45-minute section of this class. Guys, I'm going to turn around, make a little start looking at the front. We started with 4 basics, we were on the followers timing. 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. New Yorkers, looking to the left and right walls. I'll come a little bit closer to the camera so you can see. I'm going to step through, doing 2. Forwards, rock, cha, cha, cha. Forwards, rock, and a cha, cha, cha. Now I faced my left wall, and I did my little Cuban breaks. I'm going to face the front for you anyway, just so you can see them. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So just standard Cuban breaks, normal timing, but I was going to face my left wall as I did so. So face your left wall. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Spot turns. Looking at this, the left wall first. Right foot towards the wall. Pivot around to my left. Cha-cha over towards my right wall. Put my left foot forwards. So you're pivoting and you're turning to your right. So each time you do these spot turns, you're actually facing away from your screen. Whatever you're watching me on, it's facing away towards the back of your room. Left, right, and then we cha-cha on again. And this time, I am going to go sideways cha-cha. So the first spot turn, I did a forwards cha-cha because I wanted to do a second spot turn. So I did right, left, and a forwards cha-cha. And on the second one, make it a sideways one. Left, right, cha, cha, cha. Now, hip twist to fan. We learned this in the previous lesson. So we were looking at this about a month or so before. So we've learned our hip twist, back, and cha, cha, cha. Forwards, forwards, cha, cha, back. Close, forwards, cha, 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 and the extra new technique was putting on a turn, okay? So here we go with that Alemana Turn. Remember, this is quite difficult. We're facing our left wall. I've got to go 180. Pivot again, change the weight, and then cha, cha, cha. Let's just do that little hip twist to fan again so you can see that fully on the screen. Back, rock, cha, 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 forwards, forwards, cha, 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 close, forwards, cha, 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 turn, round, cha, cha, cha. So that was the routine, okay? Nice and simple. We had 4 basics, we had 2 New Yorkers, we had the little Cuban breaks facing the left wall, we put in 2 spot turns, we then did our hip twist to fan and finished it with an Alemana Turn. Like I said, we were just moving very briefly from the beginners into the improvers level, and so we were not going too quickly or too challengingly, and the full class was on the 17th of January 2022. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Told you this one was going to be brief, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.